Currently working in the railways, but may need to look for something. So, I had a call from this client this morning. I had a neck injury at work in 2021 and it's so bad now and it's been deteriorating. And he's been off work since 3 months now. And the doctor said it's almost at a stage of irreversible damage. Currently working in the railways, but may need to look for something that may not need so much of his neck use and everything. TPD was one cover that we would be looking into, which is total and permanent disability, but has to depend on the definition that he has. Whether it's own occupation, is he disabled to do his own occupation? And if he has that definition, he possibly will get a claim. But if it is any occupation which
He could still work somewhere.
yeah, if he's reasonably suited to do something else based on his experience or his education or his training, they may decline the claims. He does have an own occupation, but it just got me thinking that, like most of these policies and Superfund are always any occupation.
Yeah.
Like when you've got situations like this, just knowing what the definition is, what you can claim, what you can't, is so important. Like imagine if it was an any occupation policy, he may not be able to do the job he's been doing for the past 20 years and may not even get a claim back. It would be a pretty tough situation.
Tell me one thing, let's say if he gets the claim that he is not able to work anywhere, but he doesn't want to sit home idly, he wants to be busy and he wants to do something.
Yeah.
Is he still allowed to work or he can't work because or else the claim won't come to the picture then?
No, under own occupation, they will pay you if you're not doing your current occupation. So if he's working in the railways, he can't do that permanently. They'll pay him. Even after that, he decided, okay, I'll start my business, I'll do something to keep myself busy. As long as he's not doing what he was doing, he's fine.
Okay.
So he could still work and earn an income as well.
Okay, that's good to know because I thought that they are paying you, okay, because you're not able to work.
Yeah.
But then if you are working, then why should they be paying you?
Because he's permanently disabled to do his own occupation, the TPD will pay him. If it was any occupation, they will make sure that he possibly can't do much of the occupations, only then they will pay him out. So any occupation basically means he'll have to be close to being a vegetable.